So this is the first job opening that we have, which is basically for freshers, right? Those who want to be in forensic investigation as well as for experience, right? So this is digital forensics analysis intern L1 job. Okay, this is the internship come job. So company name is Drone Shield Cyber Forensics Private Limited, which is one of the growing company as they claim. I am not claiming anything. So the role is digital forensic analyst intern, right? So it's a Pune hybrid job. Means either you'll get on site and either you'll get a work from home, right? 6 months to 2 years of experience in digital forensics is required, and if you are performing well, then probably you'll get a job, right? So now key skills which is required is in case X, R, Y, UFED, oxygen forensics, and autopsy is knowledge is important. Email backup investigations, all those things. Why join us? This is what exactly they have written. So if you want to apply, you can drop a resume on admin@dronacivil.com and you'll get probably. Now next one is urgent hiring. Okay, someone is looking for CISA. They are urgently hiring. Mail ID is vapia.cv@cisa infosec.com. 5 days a week you need to work, and this is actually for the freshers. Positions is pre-sales intern, IoT security intern, and mobile testing, which is a probably pen testing. Now next one is for the SOC. As I told you, there's a lot of openings in SOC, right? So first is as a SOC manager opening. Second is security administration and threat intelligence expert. Third is SOC engineer L2 and SOC engineer L1, right? Qualification which is required is computer science, IT, electronics, communication, equivalent. Preferred certificate. If you have all the certificate, then probably you will be having more chances to get joined. CISSP, CISM, CompTIA, CISA, Security Plus, CompTIA, and GCIA, right? So this is what we have, and operations, SOC operations experience, and all those things, right, guys? There's a lot of job in market for the SOC, but if you don't have experience, probably you're not going to get a job. But you should learn, right? Because Mr. Robot was also a security analyst, right? So if you want to learn about SOC, you can check out this URL viehgroup.com SOC, and you'll be studying exactly what are things you're going to learn from SOC, right? And this is the mail hr@wired.shop.org on which you can drop a resume and you'll get hired. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much. If you want to ask any question, you can. If you want to join SOC, check this URL. If you want to join WAPT, Web Application Pen Testing, if you want to earn by using your hacking skills, then check out this URL.